from those that give you stress. Walk away. Learn that art of deadma. May nadinig kang pangit, nakakagalit, walk away. Ignore it. Your value does not depend on what people say. It depends on what you think of yourself. And you cannot control what people think and what people say. So why worry about it? Why belabor what people think of you? Ang mahalaga, what you think of yourself and what God thinks of you. Walk away from stressors. It's not worth the fight. Kasi kahit malabanan mo itong isang to, marami pa isang daan na naghihintay sa'yo. So lalabanan mo lahat? You will stop at every station. You will fight every battle. You will wear yourself out. And then before you know it, namatay ka na. Natapos na yung chance mo at life. Ang iksi-iksi ng buhay, mahaba na nga pag inabot ka ng 95. Tapos, nabuhay ka halimbawa ng 90. Natutulog ka 8 hours a day. Di 1/3 of your life. 1/3 of your 24 hours is 8, di ba? So kung 90 years ka na buhay, 30 years kang tulog. Kundi wala ka lang nagawa, 30 years. Nagre-rewind ka lang, nagpapahinga. 60 years na lang ang natira. Gaano karami sa years na yon yung gagamitin mo sa galit, sa stress, sa worry, sa anxiety? Ilang minutes, walk away.